Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab Active 2, and today I would like to show you how you can add event to calendar on this device. First of all, you need to access calendar and pick a date by tapping on the chosen one. You can click on this plus icon over here to create an event, or you can just double tap one of the dates. Over here, customize your event however you wish to. For example, you can add a title, pick starting hour, choose done over here, ending one, or turn off this feature by clicking on all day here. Then you can choose repeat and select if you want your event to repeat by tapping on one of the options. Then select location, take notes, invite people from your contact book, and even change color. When you're ready, choose save over here, and as you can see, my event was successfully created. You can always get rid of it by tapping on it, clicking on it over here, and selecting delete. Then confirm your choice in delete event pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!